Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosangel and my channel is all about good vibes, cooking and entertaining. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare this simple and easy shrimp fried rice. So easy, my friends. Your family will love this. So come with me and let me show you how easy it is to prepare this delicious shrimp fried rice. So my friends, I actually prepared some jasmine rice. I had no leftover, so I had to cook a pot of rice. And here are your ingredients, my friends. I have a red onion. I'm only using half. I also have 3 eggs. I have some garlic, some lemon, of course, for the shrimp. I have some green onions. I have about a pound of shrimp. I have some black pepper, salt, and my favorite soy sauce. You use whatever you fancy, my friends. And of course, I'm gonna be using some oil. Now, I picked up this yum sauce and I did not like it, guys. I ended up doing my own sauce. I'll show you guys some other time. It was delicious. I'm going to be using my wok pan. If you have a skillet, it'll do the job. I even do this sometimes in my caldero, guys. We're going to cook the shrimp, but we don't want to overcook the shrimp. Just give it a few minutes until they're kind of pinkish like this. We don't want no gummy shrimp in our shrimp fried rice. I'm going to season with some salt and pepper and some lemon, and this is good to go. Season to taste, my friends. I always say this. And I was thinking about this. I know Thanksgiving is around the corner. And we always cook the same things, my friends. So maybe this is something you want to do different. You probably want to, not sure what a turkey and some shrimp fried rice will be like, but I think it's interesting. You don't have to do a turkey either. You can do anything else. This is the best part. And I know a lot of people like myself that don't really like turkey. So who knows? Maybe this is a nice recipe, a nice rice to do, and you can probably do some steaks or even chicken with this recipe. Get creative. It's your kitchen, your rules. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil because I am going to cook my veggies. I'm gonna be adding the onions, both the green and my red onion, and I always like leaving the garlic for the end. I don't want to burn my garlic, okay? That's not gonna taste nice. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna give it a few minutes and then I'm gonna be adding my garlic last. Now, how easy is this? I already added my garlic and I am gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil again. Yes, guys, because I am going to cook my eggs, and I'm gonna go ahead and scramble my eggs. And then I'm going to be adding the rice and just mixing everything else. This is so easy. And not only this, guys, is so delicious. My family loves pretty much every dish I cook, but this one in particular is one of, especially my girls, especially Francesca, one of her favorites. And I actually prepared this for her and her friends for her 16th birthday. She had some friend over, and this is what she wanted, and this is what I did for her, and it was so easy for me. So guys, I did add a little bit more of oil, as you can see, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my soy sauce. Now be careful with the soy sauce because it is salty, okay? Not unless you buy one that's probably low in sodium. Mine is not low in sodiums, my friends. We don't do such thing here in my kitchen. So I am just being extra careful with this, okay? I'm gonna add my shrimp and I'm going to mix this nicely, guys. And this is it. How easy and delicious, my friends. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like my fried rice crunchy. So for that nice crunchiness fried rice, I add, yes, more oil. And you know what I added at the end that really makes it so delicious, guys? Lemon, guys. I sure did. It gives this shrimp fried rice a delicious flavor and taste. I'm going to cook this for a few minutes in a low temperature. I'm adding some green onions here at the end. And guys, this is ready. This is ready. This was so easy, my friends. I sure hope you have enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell, guys, so you guys don't miss out on videos. And I hope everyone has a fantastic Thanksgiving week with your loved ones and family. Be blessed. Much love. Until next time. Bye-bye.